Hey guys, so today I am playing Bloxburg once again, and today I am playing on my computer, which is technically not my computer. I'm just doing some stuff. So I'm sorry if it's really laggy. I just don't really understand why it's really laggy for you guys, but it's not laggy for me, so. I think what I should do is, yeah, I remember that I took away my house, no, my car, because, like, I needed to. So, yeah. You know, I really did, I'm not going to be Nope. Nope. Maybe I should be that. I'm definitely not going to be the thing. So if, ooh, hi. Ooh, hi. I cannot chat. What do you mean over here? I want to chat. I can't chat. I haven't used this in a while, so that's basically it. Oh my god, this thing always happens. I'm cleaning. Oh yeah, I'm taking a screenshot, So, yep, definitely. I can't reach that far. Why am I doing this sideways? What? Oh, I can clean and walk. That's a perfect idea. Okay, this is basically probably going to be this longest. No, it's not going to be a long video because I need to do some work. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna try, do things not laggy. Like, I'm gonna try to get a new screen recorder. Well, this is actually the goodest one I've ever had so far. So, yeah, that's probably why. So, yeah, I just got a promotion. Great, cool. I don't like promotions here, but I guess I'm good at this job. Okay, so I'm going to do that. If you guys don't like me doing it first person, then just tell me. So I don't need to do it first person because I really don't like it either, but I gotta do it. But yeah. So I think what I'm gonna do after a few minutes pass, I think I'm going to do some other stuff as well. Maybe see if anybody will give me some money, or maybe I just keep working. I gotta always do it. Maybe I could just clean up. I am going to be getting more Robux soon, so I'm going to be showing you that maybe for a while. I think what I'm gonna do most is do other stuff like cleaning up the house or putting a laundry box or making maybe a mansion. So yeah. and I think I'm going to end my shift, which that's going to be cool. How much money did I get? 201. I never seen I actually got that much. Very interesting. And yeah, I've seen other things. Okay, guys, I'm actually going to see how much the bike cost. I used to have this kind of car. Let me show you. This car right here. But wait, how much is it? 12,000, 18,000. Oh, I thought it was 12,000. It used to be 12. Or dang it, I thought this was like $1,000. How much is it? Blocks. How much is this? 12,000? I think the bike is 4,000. Yeah. So yes. I'm gonna go to my house. Cause why not? Near my house. Okay. Cool. It's so laggy when it's not laggy for you guys, cause I think it's laggy. So yeah. Take this off and why can I not do that? Okay, let's go to my room and then turn on the bad boy, and then actually we're gonna change our clothes, customize, and then default outfit. Okay, default excerpt. Maybe we could do like this. Great beanie. Yeah, I'm gonna get that. And wearing, and then we're going to go to clothing. We're going to, wait, you just let me do this? Oh my god. No, default pants and default shirt. Cause I'm not gonna deal with that. Does it do that? I'm not sure. Okay, so I just wasted 35, I think. Ooh, I'm gonna do Xfinity. That looks good. Buy. Where? And then back. Hopefully this works. Oh my god, I look so cute. I should actually get this when I get Robot, but I'll probably have like 0 Robot. So what I'm planning to get is get this. No, not this. The multiple floor, which I'll have 800. I'll have 500 left, and then the fancy placing, which that's 200. So I would have 300 left, and then I'll get the excellent employee, which I'll have 0 Robux and 0 money. No, I will have money, but yeah. Let's play ping pong. Yeah. What is this? Ping pong. Hey, yeah. Ping pong. Go down. Go. Yeah. Okay, so now go right there. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with this. It's so awesome. But yes. Okay, so this is my first time video Katie. If you guys noticed. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys all next time. Goodbye.